a commitment to excel both in and out of the classrooms.
We build confidence that fosters connections in communities.
To appraise with school winters, Delhi International School launches its own news channel, DIS News.
It is like entering into a new era of advanced technology, where the student can practically do whatever his heart desires.
Such steps enhance the student's interest in media and technology, giving him a new learning experience.